Tired of the same old look this Christmas? Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine? Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine.
Hello, and welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi, LoveBugs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, you all, I decided to bring you guys along with me to decorate, of course, because y'all know this is the Christmas season. And y'all, we cannot forget the reason for this season, okay? That's very, very important. So today, you guys, I am going to be decorating this here cabinet, the top and the inside as well. And I have two of those that I'm going to be decorating. So hopefully you guys are inspired and I can give you some ideas that you can possibly decorate your tabletop with, your sofa table with, or your TV console, or just a stand that you have or a table that you have in your home. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video today. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all know we can't do this without you guys. Also, to you all, we are getting ready for Blessmas 2025. It starts on December the 1st and it goes from December the 1st through December the 5th. And along with myself is Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. So y'all make sure you have your notification bells on and make sure you are checking your community tab as well too, so you'll know the times that we are going to be presenting our different videos to you all. And also we do 5 giveaways for this Blessmas season because we're blessed, and so we want to be able to give back to you guys as well too. So without further ado, go ahead and grab your drink and grab your snack, and let's go ahead and get into this video.
White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year.
All right, love bugs, I am all done with decorating my 2 cabinets here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in on today. So now, let's get into the reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching. So as you guys can see, I did go back and add a few more accent pieces inside the cabinet, like this beautiful candle bow stand here. Is absolutely gorgeous. And I added the gold ornament, and I added this candle stand as well too. And then just this beautiful vase down to the bottom. Very simple and beautiful. And then of course we have the top shelf. We added 2 decor books here along with this cozy throw candle. And we have our black vase. And as you guys saw, I was struggling a little bit with trying to incorporate these bells here, but I managed to fold it. And that's why I love using things that have wire in it, because you can manipulate it. And then I went in and added this pine cone candle here. It's like a brass tone here. And I added this twisted candle here for height purposes only, and to soften up the look a little bit, as you can see once I stand back. And then we have this gift styled candle holder, but my candle would not fit in there, you guys, so I just put it there, and you're gonna see why I wanted to use it on this side. And that's the bowl candle stand, and this is how this one is looking. I hope you guys like the way I styled it. And whenever you're styling, you guys, just make sure you use different height variations in your decor styling. Because if I would have added florals here, then I wouldn't have needed to add any height here. But I did not want to add any florals because my tree is next door right here, and I definitely do not want to take away from the look of the tree. That's why I kind of toned everything down here. As far as the decor, I added more gold accent pieces here than I did silver, and then I did black because of the way the tree is styled. And once you guys see the reveal, which should be the next video after this one, should be my Christmas tree reveal. So let's go over to our next cabinet to see how it was styled. Okay, here's the second cabinet, and the only thing I have on the bottom here is this gold beautiful crown, and I left it by itself. I didn't add anything else down there. But then on the second shelf, I added this beautiful angel candle stand. It's gold and brass. And then of course we got the large gold ornament, and then we have just this gold vase. And so I did go back and add those 2 elements to the decor. And then we have this candle stand. And this is why I wanted the other candle on the other side, because I had the matching one over here. And this one fits here perfectly. I was trying to force that other one over there, and I was like, I'm gonna break something if I don't stop. So I just put it next to it, and I think it'll be okay. And then here again, I added the bells to the black vase here. And as you can see, this black vase is shorter than the other one. And as you can see, I brought this piece in for height. And I also have another brass pine cone candle stand. And I added that candle stick there for height purposes. And we added the decor books and another cozy throw candle. I can't show you guys the side because the tree is there. And yeah, you guys, this is how I styled my cabinets for Christmas. And it's like my tree is in the middle right there, you guys. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see the next video, because it is going to be my Christmas tree reveal. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, you like what you see, please don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up, and also leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And don't forget, December the 1st is Blessmas. I cannot wait for us to share our videos with you guys. I'm so excited to be here, to be able to do another year of Blessmas with you guys. And I hope you guys are liking my little outfits and my little pajamas that I am showing you guys. And I'm just enjoying this, you guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying it as well, too. And with that being said, At Home with Lisa is signing off. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
My name is Lisa, subscribe and come take this holiday journey with me. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.